welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and you're enjoying my videos. If you're new on this channel, then hi, my name is Simran and I create makeup tutorials for you all. And today in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to create a nude makeup look. Now before we start with the video, I want you to guys notice that there are two kinds of nude looks. First is a brown nude look and second one is a pink nude look. Now for a brown nude look, obviously we are going to use brown shades. For example, for our eyes, we are going to use the brown eyeshadow. For our lips, we are going to use a brown nude lipstick. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to create a brown nude look. So let's not waste time and let's get into the video. So first I'm going to moisturize my face. I'm going to use this Lotus moisturizer. Now since our look is going to be a nude look, that means we are not going to have much makeup products on. So I'm going to use a moisturizer which has got illuminating base that will help you to give dewy, glowy kind of effect on your skin. If you have a dry skin, make sure that you moisturize your face very well. Now once I'm done moisturizing my face, next I'm going to apply my primer. Now after priming my skin, I am going to color correct all these pigments over here, and since I don't have a color corrector, I am going to apply my concealer and color correct it with that. You can do it with your finger as well if you feel much comfortable with that. You just have to take your concealer and dab it wherever you find the pigmentation. Guys, do you see the difference in both the eyes? And similarly, I'm going to do it here as well. Now guys, after I've applied my concealer, I'm going to set it with a loose powder to avoid any sorts of creasing. After this, I'm going to wait for 5 minutes so that my powder completely sets. I'm going to remove the excess loose powder. And guys, after this I am going to apply my BB cream. If you use a foundation, you can apply that, but I don't prefer using a foundation. A bit on my neck as well. And now I'm just going to dab it all over my face. Now once I'm done with my BB cream, next I'm going to apply my concealer. And again I'm going to dab it with my beauty blender. If you prefer using a brush, you can do with that, but I prefer using a beauty blender because it really blends very well. Just have to dab it, not drag it. Do you see the finish? And guys, after this I am going to apply my mist. As I already told you that our look is very subtle nude look, so we want our face to be glowy and dewy, and the setting mist that I'm going to use is from Sugar Cosmetics. Now Sugar Cosmetics has come up with 3 kinds of mist, which is matte, highlighting and dewy mist. These are amazing, and I'm going to set the mist with my beauty blender. Now guys, once I'm all done, I am going to apply my loose powder. after this guys, I'm going to start with my eyes, and first I'm going to conceal them. Again, if you use a beauty blender, you can do that. For my eyes, I prefer using a brush. For my eyes today, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. And the first shade that I'm going to use is Sandalwood from the palette. All I'm going to do is take a little bit on my fluffy brush and apply it all over my eyelid and my crease. With a very light hand, just to prepare the base for my eye. And next I am going to take the shade Cocoa and Henna from the palette, mix both the shades and start applying on the outer side of my eye. And once I am done with this, I am going to take this light shade and apply it on the inner side of my eye and blend both the eyeshadows. For this look, I am just using my fluffy brush and no other brush for my eyes because I want my eyes to look natural. I don't want to define my eyes much, so that's why I'm just using my fluffy brush. And that's it guys, this is how the eye looks. And once I'm done with my eyes, next I'm going to move towards my eyebrows. And guys, after my eyebrows, I'm going to take my kajal and apply it on my waterline and under the lash line of my eyes. It is just to give a little bit of volume to the eyes. I'm just going to smoothen it up with one more stroke and then I'm going to apply it over my waterline. And once I'm done with this, next I'm going to curl my lashes and apply my mascara. And guys, with this our one eye is all done, and now I'm going to quickly remove all the excess of my loose powder from my face. And now I'm going to finish off with my second eye off camera, so stay tuned for the final look. So guys, our second eye is also done, and now I'm going to add bronzer to my look. And once we are done with the bronzer, the last step is to add a nude brown lipstick to the look. I am not going to add any highlighter or blush to this look. If you want, you can add a little bit of the highlighter, but do not add blush to this look as it is a brown nude look. We'll add the blush to the pink or peach nude look. For my lip color, I'm going to mix two liquid lipsticks. One is from Sugar Cosmetics Smudge Me Not, which is in the shade 49 Nude Mood. And the other one is from Nude Cosmetics, which is in the shade 01 Naked Kiss. This is just the name of the shade. Now this darker one is from Sugar Cosmetics and the other one is from Nude Cosmetics. I am going to mix both these nude shades. Now I always prefer applying my lip color, especially a liquid lip color, with a brush because it helps you to define your lips very nicely. And if you are a beginner, I recommend that you use a brush. You'll be very happy with the results. So guys, our brown nude look is all complete. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up and do let me know in the comment section below your views about this look. Also, if you have any queries, you can DM me on my Instagram or you can write it in the comment section below. And please do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Bye!